water damage caused from leak, air condition exchange issue, plumbing issue where there was a leak coming through the dishwasher, garage issue, overgrown bushes. All these receipts that you're seeing right here are problems I've had in my houses over the last 4 weeks. Not because I have bad houses. This is normal. This is a normal month, maybe a little bit higher volume than usual, but in general, as a homeowner, your investment is going to eat up most of the cash you're making with bills. The way to get around that or manage at most efficiency is to have a trusted handyman or repair person, because you don't want to call for emergency services that can go up. To regularly monthly check your property, to quarterly check your plumbing, check your HVAC, yearly you're doing cleanings and maintenance. That's the way to avoid a lot of these bills, but still, you're going to have them, so you should be prepared with reserves in your account.